Hello, everyone. Welcome to another video. Say hi. This is Louis Tomlinson. It is a beautiful crochet piece. So cute. So, last year, towards the end of December 2025, I attended the Google Developers Meet, and there were two speakers which I still remember. One of them was a very confident woman who was talking about how AI is getting integrated in finance and the kind of impact it has on the industry, and the other man was talking about the actual use of AI. So you have those kind of things, right? There would be one which is a lightning talk, and then there would be one which they go in depth and stuff. Now both of these people were the only speakers who were actually memorable. The woman had some serious information to pass on, but the only problem was that she was speaking too fast. She was literally वो बोल रही थी और फिर she was breathing through her mouth, and the man was too slow. That is what got me thinking, because whenever I speak, and if I'm speaking in front of audience which I think super important, okay, unke samne I end up fumbling, or I end up speaking too fast. Now I am not someone who is not going to speak, और मुझे पता है कि मैं जो बोलने वाली हूँ is going to be important, and that is the reason why I open my mouth also. But because I speak so fast, वो पूरी चीज उनको कभी register ही नहीं होती. And the slow part, that man had was actually explaining algorithms, so that is why he was going slow. But वो slow में ना लोगों ने ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया, because they felt as if he is speaking something important, that he is talking about something which is important, and that is why he's going so slow, so that you register every single word which is going in. Now I do not want to be super fast, I do not want to be super slow, because super fast में मुझे relate हो रहा था, मेरे को समझ में आ रहा था वो बंदी क्या बोल रही, क्योंकि मैं भी उतना ही फास्ट बोलती हूँ, और मुझे सुपर स्लो नहीं हो रहा है, बिकॉज मुझे नींद आती है. And if I feel sleepy with the way I speak, you will also feel sleepy. So, here are a few things that I'm doing to improve my speech. This video is also in response to this message that I received on LinkedIn from one of my juniors. I was in my college to talk about data, and it slowly transitioned towards life in corporate. And Akshat reached out to me on the same day, wanting to know how I speak, how I articulate, and how I'm so confident speaking. So, yeah, before we go on to how I'm going to improve myself, here are a few things that I've been doing for super long. Number one, any opportunity I get to speak, I take it. I prepare well in advance, मैं क्या चीज़ें बोलने वाली हूँ, and then I actually speak up. So if there are, say, any meetings happening in my company where I have an opportunity to talk to someone who is not my manager, because मेरे manager के साथ मैं बात करती हूँ regularly, someone who is new to me, I do not know, I would make sure that I have questions for them to ask. Okay, this way you learn new things also, and second, तुमको तुम्हारी आवाज के बारे में पता चलता है. So any opportunity you get to speak, take it. Second, do not be ashamed. You do not know the number of times I have fumbled. Brother, the first time I talked to my first manager, I wanted to take a holiday because it was my mother's birthday, and you have the short time जब भी तुम छुट्टी नहीं ले सकते हो unless it's something urgent, या तुम work from home भी नहीं ले सकते हो, because I had just joined, right? And I went to my manager and I was like, Rohan, can I work from holiday? So I have made worse mistakes. ठीक है, इससे ज़्यादा embarrassing कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Nothing is embarrassing. Number 3, I have been having this channel, right, for super long. Even when there was no one on this channel, there were, I think, 4 or 5 people जो मुझे नहीं जानते थे, जिन्होंने मुझे सब्सक्राइब करके रखा था. Even at that time, I was making content, and the sole reason for that was so that I get comfortable seeing myself speaking, because this is my setup, right? So this you can see me here, right? And then this is another camera. Both of them are selfie cameras, so I understand the way I'm speaking, the way my hands move, the thing that my face does, all of these things. It helps improve confidence, and you learn stuff about yourself. I think the fourth thing is that my sister is a very good speaker. She's a very good speaker in general. She's very good public speaker. Her vocabulary is very good, and she would, whenever we would fight, we she ends up speaking in English. So I learn new things from her also. But now, on to things that I am going to do to improve myself. Number one is I do a lot of all of those things even now. So I need to find a way to improve that. Now, one of the things that you can do is, जब भी you have nothing to say, is when you end up saying shut up. Okay, you stop your mouth, तुम सोच लो आगे क्या बोलना है, एंड देन उसको बोलो. So, उसकी वजह से क्या होता है, देयर इज अ इंटेंशनल पॉज. तो अगर कोई नहीं सुन रहा था तो वो तुमको सुनने लगेगा. एंड द सेकंड थिंग इज, तुम बोलना कम कर दोगे. आई डू नॉट हैव अ हैबिट ऑफ सेइंग लाइक. A lot of people have the problem of being, I went there and like there were four people waiting in line already and I didn't want to wait. No, I don't know, brother. So I do not have a habit of saying and like. Okay, I only have a habit of saying So for that, intentional pauses and thinking before you speak. Number two, I saw this very unique thing. See, I saw a very unique video on Instagram talking about how you should speak on 82 beats per minute. That is a proper way of speaking. So तुम ज़्यादा fast भी नहीं बोलोगे, ज़्यादा slow भी नहीं बोलोगे. This is the first thing that I'm going to do, given the fact that मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं बहुत fast बोलती हूँ. So I will be employing that in order to maintain a steady speed, and that would also make me a good listener. Number three that I'm doing is restricting my screen time. My brain had been it was fried since मेरे को phone कभी मिला है. 11th standard से I started using my phone. I got Instagram when I got it very recently only actually. तो उसके पहले तक मेरा यूट्यूब ने दिमाग फ्राई किया हुआ था, एंड उसके बाद इंस्टाग्राम ने मेरा दिमाग फ्राई किया. मंथ अगो व्हेन आई हैड अंडरगॉन LASIK सर्जरी, I had stayed away from Instagram, YouTube, every other social media platform for 7 days, and the way my brain was rewired already is crazy. I was less aggressive. Normal banter that you have with your parents was less. Okay, I was actually able to concentrate well, which is a great thing. So, restricting screen time and also reading good stuff. Doing that because it improves your vocabulary. And the proof that I have for that is, 1 second, give me, okay? Do you see this? I hope you saw that. That is from 400 pages of this book called Psycho-Cybernetics. First of all, you need to read this book regardless if you want to improve your speech or not. And second, if you read this book, you need to have a pen and paper with you because you are definitely going to encounter new words. These words that I have mentioned in the book that I noted down are simple English words which would enrich my vocabulary, and that is again a part that I plan on improving. I use very simple English words, which is good because सारे लोगों को समझ में आता है. But ये काम करने के लिए नई नई चीज़ें सीखनी पड़ती हैं. So that is one thing that I will be doing. So 3 things in total. Number one is I will practice and work on reducing the filler words. The second is I'm going to start practicing the 82 bits per minute so that I find the perfect speed in which you are supposed to talk. And the third one is reading books every day and jotting down the words that I do not know the meaning of or don't know how to pronounce well in order to add them in my vocabulary. These are the things that I am going to be doing. These are the things that you can do if you want to improve your speech. And hopefully, next time when we meet, I would have another book to discuss. But you definitely need to read Psycho-Cybernetics. That's a great book. It's a great book. It is a collection of things that you already know, but क्योंकि कोई किसी ने छाप लिया ना उसको, तो तुम उसको ज़्यादा पसंद दोगे. That's it. Bye.